Hello people, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the most famous word, productivity, and give you few simple habits that will increase your productivity. Everybody wants to be productive, but they don't know what does productivity actually mean? Productivity is getting important things done consistently and not getting more things done each day. Now, as the definition is clear, I think many people will have understood that their definition of productivity was wrong. Now, let's talk about why do we need productivity in life? Being productive can help your life to become a good and successful person. You can focus on only most important tasks. You can complete whole to-do list, but if you are beginning with most important task, it will benefit you. And with being productive, you can learn to say no to useless and unimportant tasks, and it will lead to your growth. Now those 5 habits to become productive. These 5 simple habits will make you productive easily are: 1. Wake up early. Wake up at least 5 a.m. in morning. There is a quote saying, 5 a.m. is the time when legends either wake up or go to sleep. If you want to become a productive, get up early. It will give you an extra 1 or 2 hours to do your important things. 2. Write a to-do list. I had made a video on to-do, you can check it as well, link is in description. This must be the first thing you should do in the morning. As you wake up early, you have an extra 1 to 2 hours and you can make them most productive if you have a list of actionable tasks. Note, include only 10 tasks per day in that list. I highly recommend you to watch that video, you will understand why to-do is a must habit. 3. Most important tasks. After writing your to-do list, you must pick your 3 most important tasks, because productivity is not doing all tasks but is doing important tasks consistently. You can select the most important by using the priority matrix. You should complete these 3 most important tasks first. And after completing these you can complete rest of the tasks as well. 4. Switch off your phone. As soon as you wake up, switch off your phone or place it on airplane mode for at least next 1 hour. This is the must habit to include in your life. Because you do your best when you don't have options. And all of us knew what phone can do to you. So, if you switch off your phone, you have only one option, that is writing your to-do. So, try not to use your phone in at least first hour of morning. 5. Writing down distractions. This habit is power. If you ask me one habit to be productive easily, this is the one. Writing down distractions. I am using this from last 3 months, and as you will try this habit, you will also get to know the power of this habit. You just need to write distractions. Whenever you are working, you must have or will have distractions like that work is pending. Or why did I break my promise? Or some regrets or pending tasks, and these type of distractions are major cause of not being productive. So, whenever the distractions hit your mind, write it down next to your to-do list or on the corner of a notebook, and let it be there. This will make you less distracted. And after you have completed the work or you are taking a break, look at those written distractions, and if the distraction seems important, add it to your to-do list, and if not important, remove it. I hope you will add these 5 habits to your life. I am sure if you stick and gain only one of these habits, you will be more productive than earlier. And people, many more videos are coming on this channel. You can suggest me topics and comments as well. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, and press bell icon to never miss an update. You can check my Instagram and Twitter as well. @ResistivPhoton. Have a nice day.